What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are on our third test here of using Earth Breeze laundry detergent eco sheets. So this one is the one that I told you I was going to be making in that second video at the end of that one, trying to remove stains. So the big claim here is that Earth Breeze, one of their things that they claim here is that it tackles stains. So that's the first one here, right here, tackles stains. We've already gone over the scent and basically the other things that Earth Breeze is offering here with these eco sheets, and I've already gone over that. And then one of the big ones is just getting away from the chemicals that we see in the bottled stuff and going to friendlier type stuff. So things that are better for our skin, things that aren't irritating our skin, especially people obviously with the sensitive skin. This is definitely the way to go. But we're trying to figure out if Earth Breeze can really tackle stains and get stains out of clothes. So I've got the neutral things here that we're going to stay the same, but we're going to change one thing. Like I said in that second video at the end of that one, we're going to add 2 sheets now instead of just the 1 sheet, because on the back here we see on how to use this stuff is for heavy soiled or extra large loads, use 2 sheets. So in that second video we only used 1 sheet. We're going to try 2 sheets out here, or 2 sheets on this try. So bringing you guys in closer here, as you could see on these pants, we still have those stains here. Now what I'm going to do, just like in that second video, is I'm going to add a fresh new oil stain. I'm going to add that right there. All right, to make it fair, just like that second video. So we're going to see if it can get out the new oil stain and the old oil stains that are on these pants. And then the second one here is this orange hoodie here. We saw in that second video, we still got some embedded dirt and dust in here on this pocket, this lining here, and we still got a couple stains here. Now this was a little darker in that second video, so it did do some cleaning, just like it did on the pants. I don't know if you guys remember this, but watch that second video if you didn't. We had a smaller type of stain to begin with before we put it in the washer, and now the oil stain grew from about a quarter size to what it is right now, about this big. So it is cleaning some and spreading that oil out to uplift it and out of the material here in the clothes, but can it fully get everything out? So we're going to go with 2 sheets this time, excuse me, and we're going to keep everything the same with our washer here. We're going to stick with the normal wash. We're going to go with temperature wise to hot water, so 1 above warm. Stick with the high extra spin, 1 above normal soil level, and then I'm actually going to throw in an extra pair of pants. And the reason I'm going to do this is because we have to understand the type of machine that we're using. We're using a front load style washer, and front load style washers, you guys have to understand them. Your machines here, whether it be a top load or a front load, is front load washers work best with friction. So their drum is obviously not upright, it's to the side and in front, so front and back here. So it's relying on friction with clothes inside of it to help wash it. So it's not relying on a full stick agitator like a top load washer would do, something like a Speed Queen, the old traditional style. So I'm going to add a pair of pants in here as well, an extra pair of pants along with the stained pants and our stained hoodie there. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to bring you guys back in and see if 2 sheets, and I'm only using 2 sheets, not using what I would use normally to do this stuff, which would be the Dawn to pre-treat, let that sit, and then use the Borax and Arm & Hammer to get this stuff out. But you guys know what I'm going to do here, and then I'll bring you guys back in once the cycle has finished. And again, also understand, once it comes out, the clothes will still be a little damp, so we won't be able to fully tell. But once we get it out of the drier, we'll be able to tell a lot better, especially in the pants since it's a darker color. If it fully lifted, the oil stains out. So let's get to it. Hoodie going in. Oil stained pants going in. Thick joggers, wintertime joggers, extra pair of pants going in. 1 sheet Earth Breeze. 2 sheets Earth Breeze. Nothing going in the tray here. Nothing's in there. All right. So our normal wash here, normal, 1 above warm, extra high spin, 1 above normal, soil level. Bringing you guys back in, 51 minutes for me, 2 seconds for you guys. Our cycle has ended here. Joggers coming out first. All right, here's our pair of pants. The oil stain is on the left side here. Pants are still a little damp, so obviously you won't be able to tell if it fully cleaned it or not, just because the pants are still damp and it's a dark pair of pants. So we'll be able to tell better once they're fully dry. Tossing that in. Hoodie here. All right, on the hoodie, still got the same stains. So we still got some darkness here. Still got those 3 stains that I pointed out before going into the washer. But make it fair. We'll put it in the dryer. Bring you guys back in a couple seconds. All right, moment of truth. Can Earth Breeze lift stains out of clothes? In this case, we're talking fragrance oil. So we already saw that with our hoodie here, did not get all of the dirt and debris, or basically dirt stains, out of our pocket here. Still see a little bit of darkness in this ridge right here next to the zipper, and then on our pocket here, 1, 2, 3 dark spots. All right, and initially we did see that this hoodie did get cleaned. It did get cleaned, or a lot cleaner than what it was and used to be. But the harsher stuff, what I would honestly, without using this, treat with the Dawn dish soap and pre-treat it, as I've stated before. I'm pretty positive this would look a lot more faint, or almost completely be gone, if I pre-treated it with Dawn dish soap first. So obviously for me, I know that that's what I'm going to do. But again, the Earth Breeze did not get out this stuff. Moving on to the pants, the last and final thing in our test here. Left side of the pants. Okay, so, well, if you guys can see it well, you guys see our new oil stain? That new oil stain is there. So I'm actually having trouble finding the other ones. So there's a little bit on the back side there where it seeped through. So we can still see that. It did not clean that up from where it seeped through when we had it sitting there. Honestly, it cleaned up our older spot. You can still see it a little bit right there. It cleaned up this spot a little bit more. So does it actually clean and lift the stains? Yes, but over time. So you would have to wash, if you got an oil stain in something, you would have to wash it maybe, I want to say, at least 3 to 4 times with double the amount of Earth Breeze Eco Sheets. So remember, we used 2, so we'd have to use essentially 6 and 6 washes, or yeah, 6 washes. No, excuse me, 2, 4, 6, 3 washes. Bad math there. So 3 washes and 6 sheets to get to this point and a little bit further of getting these oil stains out. We still have our completely new stain here, which looks very present, like we almost just did it. So it did not clean up that new oil stain very well at all. It actually covered up the older 2 stains that were right here. But all in all, this test, not a complete fail, but I'm going to give the stain fighting power of Earth Breeze probably a 5 out of 10, because you have to use it over and over again to completely lift out the stains. It does do a little bit of cleaning and spreading that stain out to finally spread it out far enough to where it starts to lift up and out of the clothes. But again, from what I know, I would absolutely treat this with the Dawn dish soap first, let it sit, and then put it in the washer, and then use my borax and Arm & Hammer to completely get out oil stains like this. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm still going to be using Earth Breeze, especially on my kids' clothes, for that gentle, sensitive skin effect that a lot of people are looking for, especially the sensitive skin people. But again, if I'm going to get out stains, I'm definitely going with the Dawn dish soap pre-treat, borax, and Arm & Hammer. And then, as always, like I've said in the past videos with this, we're all trying to get away from that stuff. So a complete overall rating that I give Earth Breeze, I'm going to say a 7 out of 10. So 70% there, to where it cleans, doesn't have a big strong fragrance, so it leaves that neutral kind of non-scent there, which all of your clothes should be. It's almost like going back to when you first bought it from the store or online, wherever you bought your clothes from, and you smell it and it smells like nothing at all. That neutral smell, that's what the Earth Breeze provides there. But again, with just the stronger stains, we just can't tackle that with just the Earth Breeze. We got to use something a little bit stronger to get that stuff out, which means, like I stated in the second video there, the grass stains, we would probably have that effect as well on grass stains as we did with the oil here, to where we'd have to do a couple washes to fully get that grass stain out. But again, it does work very well on the food stains, and we had an example there of a 2-week-old sauce stain on a hoodie, and it got it out on the first wash with just 1 sheet. So it does do its job and work, but we've got to do a lot more multiple cleanings to get out harsher stains. If you're interested in Earth Breeze, I'll leave it in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.